Alright, this is courtesy of Sci-Fi Dude 1. We got our narrated Riverwalk cruise, and we should be getting on shortly. This is our first time doing this, so I'm historically documenting it. It's a very beautiful day. There's St. Mary's Catholic Church, the only church on the river. Okay, Danny. She's got to scan your ticket.
There you go.
Danny, your ticket.
Thank you.
Okay. We'll probably have to get on the next one. Yeah. He's locking it.
Now let's go to the next one. That's fine. We'll be back with you. We got to keep the ticket, huh?
Yeah. I don't know if we have to give it to them when we get on. We'll see. The ticket, yeah. So we don't know if we get to keep the ticket or if the book
Click it or take it.
or they keep it. We don't know what's going on yet.
Very low. So for your safety, guys, make sure you do stay seated.
And we should be having one coming up here pretty soon. We're back here on the Riverwalk. Hey, there's Kitchen Bar, Q Kitchen Bar. All day dining from 6 a.m. to midnight. Featuring crab, something else, food, snacks, sodas, beer, wine, and more. I'm sure there's one over here somewhere. There's Mad Dog's British Pub. We can see what they have.
That's one of the places I saw online.
Okay, let's see. They got burgers. Danny.
Little pork crackling.
Here's
What is this outdoor dining? Who is that attached to right there?
I don't know. But this is Mad Dog's British Pub.
Mad Dog's British Pub.
They have burgers.
Oh yeah, that's not a bad price, sir.
Yeah, woo, this is expensive.
No, now salads and soups, $6.95.
Yeah, some of it's not that bad.
Alrighty, well, I mean, the prices are probably going to be close to this or more.
Well, let's check out some of the
Pork
other places.
cracklings.
Let's check some of the other places out, Mike.
Yeah, let's check out some of the other places. But,
Why not the Alamo with the Riverwalk?
That way we can make a decision.
yeah. So as you can see, there's,
I already knew it was going to be expensive.
yeah. Well, that's what I told him. Public restrooms. Visitor Information Center. Hey, Danny, There's some restrooms by the lock and dam down here, wherever that is. Lock and dam. There's Hard Rock Cafe over there. I know they got good food.
We'll head that direction, yeah.
That's right across the way. There's Landry Seafood. Alrighty. It's by the lock and dam, and it was pointing this way. What is it? Landry's.
Yeah. Shrimp cocktail, $15.99.
Yeah, we're at the Riverwalk here. This is one of the restaurants.
Look
there.
at that, $32.99.
Woo! Yeah, that's making my wallet hurt. Yeah, the restrooms are down this way. See, there's the locks and dam.
Hey, we got this from Dallas, don't we?
River barge tickets can be purchased at locations marked with the T. Wave at a Rio taxi if you need a ride at locations marked with Rio taxi stop. Tickets are sold on board.
Okay, locks and dam. Joe's Crab Shack.
We're by Joe's Crab Shack right now.
We got that in Dallas. Acapulco things. What's it? Bubba Gum.
Here comes.
Where are we at on here? Where are we at on here?
We're by Joe's, so I don't know, but I'm getting the feeling that it's down this way because there's the Alamo.
Here's some restrooms right here, main plaza.
Yeah, and then just follow this down.
Where are we at right now? That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. The restaurants aren't listed on here. Yeah, you have to stop somewhere for them to.
Here it is right here. This is information. So this is the Alamo. This is the Alamo here. Alamo here.
Yeah.
So we came in right here. There's restrooms. This is here. There's supposed to be restrooms over here in the main plaza.
Yeah. Hey, there's some.
That's way down there. The main plaza is just right there. Let's go check.
I don't want to walk back.
Mike, look. This is the main plaza. We came in right at the main plaza.
Yeah, that means we got to walk all the way back that way.
But it's right there. These restrooms are way down there. Let me check real quick.
All right.
Let me check real quick. Okay. We probably need to cross over to. Let me check. I'm gonna walk up here and look across and see because this the main plaza is this thing that we just came in here, or it could be just right up there. Let me check real quick. Just hang on a second.
All right. Okay, guys, we'll be back.
Want to know why?
I don't know why it's stopped.
He was born in Portugal.
He's the fifth amigo? Amigo?
He was born in
Amigo?
Lisboa.
Amigo.
I'm going there next year.
Yeah. Amigo. Amigo.
Take a look right here, guys. Look in front of us. Another cool view to see. Another photo to take.
What?
Big building right there. Big flag at the top. That is the tower. Got the big flag right there.
Is he new?
Really cool looking building. We're going to talk a little bit more about it here in just a bit. Be right next to it.
That's why I don't know, bro.
This time of the day here, the river looks really, really hazy. There's actually a lot of dust in the air right now. The dust actually comes from the Sahara Desert. Goes westward. Comes into the Gulf. There's a huge plume of this dust entering the city here this weekend. You guys figure out what it is. Big church on your right side here is St. Joseph's, the big Catholic church. Opened up here in 1868.
Oh, that's where all the water comes from. The pipe right there? Coming down?
Yeah.
The big church here was built by some early German settlers.
Cycle bottled water, they take that and weigh it on stuff and they pour them out.
Okay.
There's the guy behind the one. That's what he said.
Oh,
Now we're going to be making a left turn up the head here. We're going to enter back into the natural original section of the river. If y'all didn't know already, the river here is real. It's been here for several thousand years now. The river starts about 4 miles north of us, starts right by the zoo. The river will flow through downtown, through the rest of the city. The river does end up in the Gulf of Mexico, about 240 miles away. All the way down. Now the water from the river comes from an underground lake several hundred feet below us. It's called the Edwards Aquifer. It's the same source of our drinking water as well. Of course, the water we get comes from way down deep. It's not the same thing that you guys see right here.
Yeah, we have stopped for a minute.
It's a fascinating trip, isn't it?
Yep.
You guys see that music over there? Those are mariachis. You guys want to hear some more of that? I'll tell you how in just a minute.
Uh-oh.
Why you keep dropping it?
It's the second time. Here, your last warning, okay? Can't be scaring me like that.
At least it didn't drop in the river.
Now your left side coming up right here, guys, a really big hotel. This is the Hilton Palacio de Rio Palace on the river. The big hotel right here is very unique. You see, whenever they started construction, they were in a huge rush. They had to build the hotel here as quickly as possible. To do that, all they built right here was just the first 4 floors. It was only the base, the lobbies, the restaurants, just the first 4 were built here. Now the rest of this hotel, all the rooms, all 500, they were actually built in a factory, almost like a car. They all came out fully furnished and ready to go.
Wow.
The rooms were brought here with the
this is a
beds
hotel.
already made. They had towels on the racks, art on the walls, soaps in the dishes, even the Bibles in the nightstands ready to go. Now when they were done, they were brought back here. They were picked up with the crane. These rooms were stacked up all the way to the very top right here, just like Legos. Every single room that you guys see right here was put into place with a crane, one by one, by one, by one, by one.
Oh, wow.
Stacked them all the way up, just like Legos. It's crazy. Now they call that modular construction. They were very quick. It only took them 202 days to build, only 7 months. That was 1968, 53 years ago. Set a world record for that fastest built hotel. Just like Legos. Now around the bend here, big outdoor theater. This is called the Arneson River Theater. A lot of concerts, a lot of shows.
Oh my god.
A lot of plays.
Sweet.
They've even filmed a movie here before. You guys want to know which one? Selena? Yes, Miss Congeniality was filmed right here.
Oh, wow.
Yes, you're with the fun, okay? It's okay. At least someone's participating, it's all good. There is a big show here tonight. It's called Fiesta Noche de Rio. It's going to be so good. Can't wait to see it. It'll be here at 8:30. It's a big mariachi and dance festival. Aww.
You should be talking.
My mom got pretty mad at me. There's a little baby duckling over there. But yeah, back there tonight, guys. Huge show tonight. Really great. Mariachi music, dances. It's so good. 8:30.
Gabriel's here. Hey, Gabriel.
Right here is the Briscoe. It's a big Western art museum. A lot of good things. Saddles, spurs, swords, sculptures. Open every day this week.
Literally.
Alright guys, take a look at this branch on your right side here. You see this bird in the middle?
Oh yeah.
Y'all see it right there? The big
Yep.
beak?
Right here.
I was waiting for her to tell you guys what kind of bird it is.
It's real. I told you that.
She doesn't know it, I guess. I thought she took this call like 4 times already. She doesn't know it. This is a heron. Of course you were. Of course you were.
Well, you called it fake.
Despite how big it is, it's actually only a baby. This is only like 3 months old. They get way bigger.
He looked. That bird looks so out of there already. Like I just don't want to.
You guys can watch your heads here for just a few seconds. This bridge right here is really low.
Watch your head, Danny.
Come a little close. Now your right side coming up right here, really romantic spots. There is an island right here, it's shaped like a heart. They call it Marriage Island.
Marriage.
This little spot right here is home to over 300 weddings every year.
What?
They say that having a wedding right there is supposed to be good luck. 300 every year.
It was like the first or second wedding. The other was just
We haven't seen one yet today, but hopefully that'll change. There's always a couple there on a Friday. Just a heads up, guys, this stretch of river coming up ahead here might be a little toasty. Not a whole lot of shade up here. But we'll be out of the sun in just a few minutes.
maybe you guys. You might be better find a session.
Final destination.
When the thing go on the track, or your seatbelt come off.
Y'all like trying to make this confusing. I'm actually not scared.
Now your left side right here, really big tall building. This is the one that we saw just a little while ago. Right here, your left, this is called the Tower Light.
Maybe you're right with her.
It opened up back in 1929. It's got some really cool features. If you guys look up all the way at the top up there, look on the corners, you guys can see some gargoyles. They're really big, they're very pointy. They're all the way at the top. They serve as rain spots. When it rains downtown, water will come out of their mouth, almost like a fountain. It's so cool to see. Another interesting feature, of course, right here on the wall, right below the second floor, you guys can find a bunch of faces. Just look real carefully. They're right here, right below the windows. There's a man and a woman together as a pair. Y'all see them, right? All the faces?
Yep.
Those are called growth. They were put up there to scare away bad business and evil spirits.
That's where Batman sits.
Now they did work, but they worked a little too well. Right now the building here is actually completely empty. Scare away everything. Now this big red building right there, that's the Bear County Courthouse. It's the oldest one in Texas. It's been here since 1896. It's still in use.
You're getting something? Yeah, so.
Now whenever we turn right, we're going to be entering into the deepest section on the river. Currently, it's only about 2 feet deep. It's not too bad. However, turning right, it's going to go down to about 20 feet deep. For sure. I guess, yeah. It is. Just keep going down. Right here, guys. It is now 20 feet deep. You guys feel the difference?
Not really.
Not really, right? Yeah, I don't think so. All this is man-made. It was added to the river in the 1920s. It was built here. It was added for flood control. If it ever starts to rain real bad, we can close off certain areas. We can let all the flood water come through here. So it's gonna be.
Oh, it's a fish right there. Look at the fish thing.
Alright, you guys, this is a little tradition from Paris. They call this the love locks. Couples would come by right here with a lock. They would put it right here. They would throw away the key in the river. Of course, you guys can't see much. They took them down. Now, wanting to break up all the people, the city actually put them right here behind us instead of just throwing them away. But right here. Now, you guys are more than welcome to add your own lock right there. They say in doing so will bring you guys good luck and a long-lasting relationship. If you're not too sure about that, though, just put a combination on.
right now.
Just in case. Now, on the left side right here is a very historic area. They call it Main Plaza. It's the very center of the city. The big plaza to your left side here has the oldest church in Texas. It's the San Fernando Cathedral. It's all the way back there on your left. Beautiful church. It was built here by the Spanish in 1731. Still in use. If y'all had nothing to do later, there's actually a free light show there on top of the church. It starts at 9 o'clock. There's another one at 9:30 and 10 o'clock tonight. It's completely free. If you guys look to the front of the boat here, this is the tallest and the oldest tree that we have here.
This
You guys see
tree
this big
straight
one here?
ahead.
It's a cypress. Huge. It's about 10 stories. The tree here is said to be around 400 years old. Still growing. Wow. Now before we turn right, big machine right here, this is called a floodgate. Whenever it starts to rain really bad, the big door right here will slowly come down. It'll shut off the river right here. It takes about 20 minutes to come all the way fully shut. That will of course seal off the river. It'll send any incoming flood water down south. That's why back there is so deep to hold all that extra water they gotta move. They don't use it that often. Maybe once every several years. If that. One last thing I want to show you guys is the newest hotel in San Antonio. Just on your right side here. This is the Hilton Canopy. I spent the last 4 years working on this one. Just opened up last month. It's brand new. There's a really nice bar right down the third floor, that little terrace right there. It's called Riverwalk. It's a good place to watch the sunset later. Alright guys, well that's actually all I have for you folks here today. We are right back to where we came from. I picked you guys up here on your right side. However, we're going to dock the boat. We're going to tie down over here on the left. I want to thank you guys for riding with us. Hope you had a great time. Hope you learned a couple of cool things. As I dock over here, just give me a few seconds. I'm going to tie down the boat. Let you guys know when it's safe to stand up and exit. If you guys enjoyed the ride today, thank your captain with the tip is allowed, accepted, and of course greatly, greatly appreciated. That's how we get paid out here. If you guys have any questions, if you guys need any kind of directions, just let me know. I'll help you guys out any way I can.
All right.
You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Y'all be safe.